Okay guys, 2022 Toyota Camry. This is the XLE. They're all pretty much the same thing. This is a 4-cylinder. We're gonna replace this belt over here. I'm gonna show you guys how simple and easy it is to change the belt on this baby. So what we're gonna do is you need a 14 millimeter wrench here. I would get a gear wrench so you can go in there. Very simple and easy. So 14 millimeter on that tensioner, and we're gonna be pulling that tensioner upward, okay? So that tensioner is gonna be going that direction, okay? Very simple and easy. So give me a moment. I'm gonna lock up my camera here and we'll do that together. We'll take the belt off. So the belt goes, draw yourself a diagram, but it's very simple. The belt goes over this alternator, it goes around the AC compressor, then it comes back around the crank pulley, and then it goes under the tensioner and back above. That's how simple it is, okay? So very, very simple. So anyways, let's get this job going. Okay guys, bear with me here. It's very little space here, so we're gonna have to kind of work together, guys, all of us. So I'm trying my best with like 2 lights. So again, I am gonna put this 14 millimeter on, and I am gonna be blocking the view of the camera for a second. Oops. And there goes my light. That's gonna kind of disturb us. It's a very simple job, but very little space. So let's go more down with the tensioner here. Let's start from back here. So we can yank this all the way. There you go. So this baby's gonna come out just like that. And you're gonna just kind of, come on, let everyone see. Light, come on, light, where are you, light? So let's get that off the crank pulley. And that's it, the belt is out, okay? So you're gonna get yourself a new belt. I'm gonna be rewriting the same belt just because this is a show and tell video. So again, let's put this belt on everywhere. So get it on the crank first. Okay guys, give me a moment because everything's just falling. My light's falling, everything's falling. So let me gather the belt and everything on, and we're gonna just let this sit right here. Okay, let's figure out this lighting issue. And there goes my light one more time. It is a very tight spot, okay? I wish I had like a smaller camera than that. Okay. So, taking out that wrench is not an option anymore. So we're gonna go up around the crank. We're gonna go around the alternator, and this is where it's gonna be a little bit of trouble. We're gonna lift up our wrench, and oh my god, that thing hit me on my arm. Don't hurt yourself, guys. That's the main thing there. You don't want to hurt yourself. Okay, this thing is all the way, so the belt must be stuck somewhere. Because how can that be? How can the belt become smaller than what it was? All right, guys, give me a moment. It might be stuck around the crank somewhere. Belt magically became smaller than what it was. Okay. Guys, I kind of got my lighting a little bit better from me. I don't know about the camera, but there's something around there underneath the crank pulley, so you don't want your belt to go around that. So be careful, guys. So I'm gonna use leverage on this alternator here. So now I gotta get back onto this AC compressor, and then up above the alternator, and then under this tensioner. So make sure the belt is good on each pulley. You can even do this to it. So it's bada bing, bada boom. Okay, that's how simple this is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next one. And take a look. That's how it's supposed to be. It is hard to see, but it's a very simple job here. This thing is very simple compared to the rest of the belts on other vehicle. It's just freaking lighting and everything is just not gonna be proper here ever. Okay, thank you for watching. So all you need is a 14 millimeter.